Today, we're making my family favorite, barbecue glazed chicken tenders and oven fries. The best part of this meal is that it's really quick and easy. This will only take about 20 minutes to prepare and 25 minutes to cook. Then dinner is served. The first thing to do is preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Mine is already heating up. I've already scrubbed our 3 potatoes clean and started cutting them into fries. Potatoes just need a little bit of rubbing under cold water to remove any of the dirt. I left the skin on mine because I like the flavor, but you can always peel the skin off if you don't. So I'm going to cut the potatoes into 1/8 inch to 1/4 inch strips, whichever you choose. We just want them to be even in size so they cook through at the same time. So I'm just going to cut the potato in half, and then you're going to take that half and put it down on the cutting board, and then cut vertically into thin strips. And then because we're wanting these to be skinny, you take those slices and then cut again vertical-wise. I'm now going to spray our baking sheet with nonstick spray. Now we're going to put them on the sheet. We want to make sure that they don't overlap. All right. We'll set that aside and now get ready to make the seasoning mix for the fries. In a small bowl, I'm going to combine 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon paprika, and about 1/8 teaspoon of pepper. Now you just sprinkle this on top of the fries. All right, so now we can just put them in the oven for 25 minutes. Now the chicken. I've got 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken tenderloins that I trimmed off the excess fat using my kitchen scissors. To cook the chicken, I'll spray the skillet with cooking spray. And then we're going to turn up the heat to medium-high. And we're going to add the chicken and cook each side for about 4 minutes or until it's no longer pink. All right, these are ready to flip to the other side. You know, this really is a family favorite of mine. My girls already like chicken tenders, but by simply adding the barbecue marmalade on top, it makes it so great. They love the sweetness and the flavor of it. I think these are about done, so I just want to cut it open a bit to make sure that it's not pink inside. You can use just a simple knife and fork to do this. Perfect. I'm going to quickly mix up the glaze for the chicken. Just combine 1/2 cup barbecue sauce. This has the lowest sodium I could find. You're also going to want to add 1/2 cup of no sugar added orange marmalade. You can also use like grape jelly or jam for this, but I'm feeling orange today. Just mix this together. And now we're just going to cover this and then put it into the microwave at 60% power for 40 seconds. To make sure we time this meal so that it's all ready at the same time, we can put that in the microwave with just 2 minutes or so left on the fries. And once the glaze is formed, go ahead and spread it on the chicken. That's all you need to do. Simple, easy, healthy. That's the way I like it.